How to treat a Photinia with black spot. A Photinia is a compact, upright evergreen shrub that has glossy leaves that are bright red when young, but then turn dark green when mature. But they are susceptible to black spot. What is black spot? Photinia black spot is a disease in which the leaves become dotted with black spots that slowly spread until the leaves wilt and fall off. And what causes black spot? It is a microscopic fungus that overwinters on twigs and leaves that have fallen on the ground. What are the best conditions for Photinias? Photinias like sun and well-drained soil. They do not like very humid or very cold and wet weather, so choose your location well to avoid these conditions as best as you can. What causes black spot? Moisture is the cause for Photinia black spot, and cool temperatures help speed the spread of the disease. Water splashing spreads the fungus spores from leaf to leaf, so water the roots instead of the foliage. Branches and leafage that hover near the ground are particularly prone to black spot, such as in hedges, so you need to prune these low-lying areas. Photinia black spot is usually harmless in most climates, especially where summers are hot and dry. However, in moist climates with very wet spring and autumn seasons, black spot causes problems to Photinias. What you will need: a rake, secateurs, a spray bottle, bicarbonate of soda, 500 ml of water, vegetable oil, eco washing liquid, some mulching material, a plastic bag, and an incinerator or waste bin. How to prevent black spot? Prevention is better than cure, so you need to use an antifungal spray such as Bordeaux mixture or a natural fungicide to prevent the Photinia from falling sick. You need to spray at the end of winter or at the beginning of spring. You need to rake up or collect any leaves that are infected instead of leaving them near the shrub. You then need to destroy them by burning them. You need to prune your Photinia into more of a tree shape to avoid any low-lying leaves. And you need to water only near the ground without splashing the leaves, as the fungus spreads through splashing water from shrub to shrub. How to treat black spot? If the black spot disease has appeared, you should remove all infected leaves by pruning them. Disinfect your secateurs with methylated spirits, rubbing alcohol, bleach or household cleaner between cuts. Again, rake up and collect any fallen leaves that are infected instead of leaving them on the ground near the shrub. Then spray with fungicide on the leaves and the affected areas, spraying at 2-week intervals after a rain or shower. Finally, mulch around the bottom of the plant to cover any remaining fungus spores. Photinia black spot, how to prevent the spread of the disease. So as mentioned before, you need to clean and disinfect your secateurs after pruning. And tidy around the plant and rake all the dead leaves which have fallen off and burn. Do not put these in your compost, as the disease will remain and spread. Finally, mulch around the bottom and water directly at the roots and not on the foliage. How to make a fungicide spray. This is an organic, natural fungicide spray. You need 500 ml of water, 2 to 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of eco washing up liquid. The concentration of the bicarbonate of soda is variable, so try it out on a small part first. The bicarbonate of soda is the active ingredient, while the vegetable oil helps the fungicide stick to the plant, and the washing up liquid helps make the oil and the bicarbonate of soda mix together. Once this is made up, you need to spray on the leaves and the affected areas, spraying at the end of winter or at the very beginning of spring. And if it rains and washes off the fungicide, then just reapply.